to remember, okay, there are certain categories. Everything on the bus is securely attached and not damaged. You do that, you got a 50% right there. Then you're going to add certain things. Metal, okay, is not cracked or damaged. Okay, you get metal fatigue, it cracks. Rubber needs to be pliable. Okay, if it's not pliable, okay, if it's pliable, it's soft. If it's not pliable, it gets hard, it gets brittle, it cracks. Okay, so you want all rubber to be pliable, including hoses. When it comes to a hose, that's rubber, but you're going to also add, I don't see or hear any leaks. Okay, except for the air hose. That I just don't see, or I don't hear any leaks because you can't see air. All your lenses, all your lights and lenses, securely attached, not cracked, damaged, broken, and the proper color. When it comes to your brake, okay, there's no contamination. Okay, same thing with the line, no contamination, and there's no grease. And then with the battery, you're simply going to say, I don't see any corrosion. Everything falls in one of those categories. So just everything's securely attached, not broken. Do the add-ons, and you ace it.
Well, you're saying something about fuses. Check fuse. We're supposed to check on the fuse, or something?
No, you don't have to check fuses.
Oh, okay.